Nice. All right, what is going on, y'all? I'm here with Ethan in the back, and we're just doing some live bait fishing. Last video, it's right up here. Very successful day. Caught my personal best bowfin. So basically, we went ahead and caught some bait already. Got the little bubble box here. Keep them nice and alive. My rig is very simple. It's like a size, I think that's a size 2 circle hook or something. And then we got the weight right here. So we got like a foot of line between those. We're just gonna chuck him out there. Just stick the hook in. Hopefully he doesn't come off. And we're gonna cast him out parallel to the shore.
Yeah, I saw my scad come off. So that's how shiny where I threw the bait. Like,
all right. Okay, three rods out right now. Let's check them. All right, let's check this one. Boy, Ethan, bite on yours. Yeah. Okay, you ready?
get it! What the heck are you doing? Oh, it's small, whatever it is.
Yeah, I mean, like, I didn't want.
You were waiting. You can spit the hook in that time.
Nah, he doesn't. I let him take it. All right, well, Ethan just pulled it up. White perch,
It's still
yeah?
got the bluegill in its mouth. Look at that.
Oh, ow.
Oh, yeah, you just spined yourself.
Yeesh.
It looked like a striper for a second.
Yeah, that's cool, though. White perch?
Yep.
When's the last time you caught that?
I think March.
All right, cool.
Beautiful white perch.
Yep. Bye.
Ow.
I mean, I wouldn't be scared to do that.
Could you stop throwing rocks, please?
Excuse me? Can you guys like throw rocks on this side because we're fishing here? All right, yeah, you're good, thank you. Current time is, let's see, 6:33. Okay. That's actually quite early. We already caught one white perch. So it's actually earlier than last trip. Last time I caught catfish at 7 o'clock. All right, here's a hook. Have fun, go catch a fish. Those kids had a piece of line they found on the ground and just wanted a hook. And we're like, wait, we're fishermen. Just take one of our plenty hooks. All right, well, just let him run with it.
Although he's not moving.
Rock.
Oh, yeah, have some.
Yeah, there you go. Bass.
Big perch.
Oh.
Oh, man, he swallowed it.
Oh, no. Very nice. Here you go. It's a perch.
It's a yellow perch. There aren't any
Yeah.
smallmouth in here.
Oh, that's a big perch.
It is big.
See you, buddy.
All that.
Well, current situation. How many rods we got out?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 rods. It's 7 o'clock, 7:13 right now. Prime time, I believe, is around 8:30. So we got quite the wait, but we're just gonna try not to freak out from no bites. It's all about the patience. No, he took the bait. Never mind. Oh. Oh.
You have a rock.
Alright, so I was getting super worried because we were running really low on bait fish. Ethan decided to go walk all the way down there, and he caught like a bunch of shad, like 12, 10. Time to catch some catfish. This is what we've come to. We got 4 rods set up, each of them with a shad on there. I mean, if the catfish are really hungry, they should be eating it. I don't know what's going on, but maybe I can even take a nap.
I heard of it.
They make rods for catfish.
Yeah.
He had one.
Okay.
Oh, he's on it. He's on. Little guy.
Nice.
Come in, buddy. Come in. Little bull.
Bullhead.
Yeah. Tiny. But that's cool.
It could be a channel.
Oh wait, it is a channel.
Oh yeah.
Ugh. Oh gosh. Okay. Look at his cute face. All right. Letting him back in. See you. Well, I finally caught a fish. Tiny baby channel catfish. Would have been nicer if he was a bit bigger, but other than that, I'm glad I got the skunk off the dock. We just got our lines soaking in the water right now. Hopefully we can catch another one. Maybe if the fish are feeling it, but today's a slow day, honestly. A B- if I were to rate it. Ethan's on. Is it good?
Maybe small. Catfish.
All right.
Oh!
Oh!
That looks like a brown bullhead.
All right, cool, cool. Recast that out there. You're on? Oh,
Yeah.
you're on? Oh. This has a fish. This has a fish. Here, take this, take this. Take it. All right, fight him.
Thank you, Ryan.
Yup. Nice. Think you can flip this guy? I think you can.
We can try.
All right. Just get the momentum. Yes. Let's go.
Way that rod.
Buddy.
Just don't spine yourself.
I know. That would suck. All right.
There we go.
Got him. Nice. Give me some. The current situation is pretty good. We've gotten quite a few bites. Right now it's totally pitch black dark, so we're using a bunch of flashlights. The only reason I was able to see the last fish bite was because my rod kind of fell. The bad thing about wearing headlights is the mosquitoes are like, go, go, go.
Gnats.
Oh, get him, get him. Got him. Okay.
It's like the same one.
Oh no. Awesome.
But I'm taking all the fish from you.
That's okay. You're the closest one. Oh yeah, the spotlight's all on you, buddy. It's got a big stomach too.
He tore literally the crap.
That's
he literally
so gruesome.
Tore the crap.
Well, that's another beautiful bullhead you got there, Ethan. Ready to throw him back?
Sure. There he goes.
Fish. You ready? Huh. Got him. Dude, he's... Oh yeah, get the camera please and the light. He's actually good. He's better than I thought he would be. Whoa! Get it down there, see if you can see him. Oh, he's taking drag. Oh, it's a catfish. Not bad, not bad. All right, I'm gonna flip this guy. Ready? All right, step back. You raise me up. Yeah, let's go.
Decent fish.
Yep. Do you know if you can lip these guys? Ah! No, you cannot. Don't lip these guys. This right here, oh, he's slippery. This is the fish. Been waiting to catch the whole day. Nice 1 pound bullhead catfish, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's get a release on this sucker. 3, 2, 1. Bon voyage. There you go. Awesome. Let's go. Boom. All right, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this out real quick because we gotta go home because curfew's 11 o'clock, right? Yep. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave a like because it really does help. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already, and we will be out here very, very soon again because summertime catfishing is a whole lot of fun. So remember, do it for the adventure.